After you creating a rate card or creating multiple rate cards, you can select the merchant for this rate card. To do that, in the rate card list, you can find assign merchant action in the actions list. In this screen, you can see there is a drop down called merchants. In this drop down, your entire merchant list will be listed here, and you can select or unselect the merchant which is applicable to this rate card. Like that, you can assign a rate card for that particular multiple merchants, like here. In the below button, you can see the merchants who are already assigned to that rate card. If you want to assign another rate card for another merchant, you have to go to the same action in another rate card and assign the particular merchant. When you are assigning the particular merchant, that merchant will be automatically unassigned if that merchant is already assigned to a previous rate card.